The new HUAWEI MatePad Pro 2021 has just recently launched. But unfortunately, this video is not about that device. Instead, this video will be about its younger sibling that was also launched earlier. Hi guys, my name is Joseph of Davao Geek Hub, and this is my unboxing and impressions of the HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 inch 2021. For starters, let's unbox it and see what it comes with out of the box. As I've mentioned earlier, this is the non-Pro MatePad. It has 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. And we also have the midnight gray colorway. First one out of the box is the tablet itself, but we'll set it aside for now. Next is the power brick or charger that is capable of fast charging. We have the ejector tool on the other box, as well as a USB to USB Type-C cable, a headphone jack adapter, and the paperwork. The 2021 MatePad refresh has M Pencil support, but it does not include a HUAWEI M Pencil out of the box. However, you can purchase it online on the HUAWEI website or at their official Lazada and Shopee stores. Now let's check out the device. It has a minimalist unibody design and weighs just about 450 grams. Its mid-frame also features a micro-arc design. This allows a more streamlined look and ergonomic to hold. Buttons and ports are easily located. We have the power button that is located on the left side, the USB Type-C port on its right. At the bottom, we'll find the microSD card tray, and at the top is the volume buttons. You'll also notice the quad microphone array at the top. This was designed to pick up audio up to 5 meters away. It also has noise reduction support, so you don't have to worry about background noise when you jump into a conference call in public. The device also pairs seamlessly with other HUAWEI devices such as the FreeBuds 3, and you can also use the included adapter if you want to use a wired headset. But even without using a headset or buds, audio output from it is clear and loud. The device has a quad-channel speaker system which is also tuned by Harman Kardon, which is great for listening to music and watching movies and videos. Speaking of watching videos, the 2021 MatePad has a 10.4 inch IPS screen with a screen-to-body ratio of 84%. Max resolution is 2000 by 1200 pixels, making it a great display for viewing any type of content. Now, tablets are known to have poor cameras, but I actually like its front-facing camera. It's an 8 megapixel sensor with wide lens that's actually quite good when used on conference calls. The rear-facing camera is also an 8 megapixel sensor, but it's not so great though. The photos are not so sharp but still decent on perfect lighting. On low light situations though, it suffers. Here are some quick sample shots I took with the device. Tablets are designed mostly for productivity and not gaming, but I did try to play a few games on the device. To be honest, I was a bit surprised it handled well on my initial gaming test. It performed well on the highest graphics settings on commonly used games. I did experience a bit of lag, but that was my internet provider acting up. It's also important to note that the MatePad has a huge 7250 mAh battery. It actually powered the device for around 2 days of my normal work use. If you want to know about its specifications, I will post it now on the screen. Pause the video to check it out. If you are interested in getting this device, I will link it in the description box below, but I encourage you to read my full review first. This is just an unboxing and initial impressions of the device. In-depth review will be on written form over at DavaoGeekHub.com. Link will be on the card above and in the description box below as well. This has been Joseph. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and have a nice day.